mababay na. Wow. Hi guys! Welcome to my Coachella vlog! I just got here sa Palm Springs. This is my Airbnb. I'm staying sa Monkey Tree Hotel here in Palm Springs. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour lang. So, this is the door. And sobrang laki ng room. Medyo inayos ko na yung gamit ko dyan kaya medyo makalat. Meron pang backyard. Ano ba tawag dito sa space na to sa labas? Basta yan. Tapos, dito yung CR. Super nice ng CR, guys. Kasi there's natural light. So yeah, this is my room lang. Grabe, sobrang napagod ako sa biyahe. So if you like, I'm just gonna rest for today. Nag-order rin ako ng food ko. So, baka dito na lang ako sa room. Di na ako lalabas. Pero baka i-meet ko rin si Raho later. I don't know. Or papuntahin ko na lang siya dito. Kasi grabe, sobrang napagod ako sa flight. Tapos yung biyahe from LA papunta dito, ang tagal. 1 kami umalis. Tapos nakadating na kami dito. Mag-5 na. So, ayun. Also, I'm so scared kasi wala pa yung shuttle pass ko. In-order ko lang siya online, diba, sa StubHub. And hindi pa siya dumadating. Pero scheduled na siya for delivery today. So, I hope it comes. Kasi if not, sobrang hassle. I have to book an Uber for tomorrow. Eh, diba, sobrang hassle pag Uber. Mas better daw talaga pag shuttle yung transpo mo going to Coachella. So, let's just hope and pray that my shuttle pass comes today. I'll see you guys siguro tomorrow na. Or later. Pakita ko sa inyo yung food ko later. Okay, guys. Kakadating lang ng in-order ko sa StubHub. Ito yung shuttle pass ko. So, let's see if it's legit. Legit kaya to, guys? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Kakasabi ko pa lang sa inyo na sana dumating na. And dumating talaga siya, guys. Is this even real? I don't know if it's real. Also got Wingstop for dinner. Tapos, nag-order rin ako ng water sa Target. Nagpa-Uber ako nito from Target. So, I hope this works sa hair ko. Ito yung parang beach waves na hair ko. Ganyan siya. Kasi hindi gagana yung nasa akin sa Philippines. Tapos, sobrang random, pero bumili lang ako ng isang yogurt. In case na magutom ako. Tapos, ito yung water na binili ko. So, yeah. I think we're all set na for tomorrow. Now, I'm just gonna eat. Tapos, mag-shower ako, mag-rest ako. I'm gonna film a mukbang. So, check nyo na lang yan sa TikTok ko. Good morning! Today is Coachella Day 1! It is 7:16 a.m. Plano ko umalis ng 12:30, so let's see if I have enough time. Kasi mag-shoot pa ako and all, and blah 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 blah. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay. Mag-lock in na ako sa mga get ready with Miko, get dressed with Miko for TikTok. So, let's do this. I'm now gonna do my hair. I just finished doing my makeup. It's around 9 something. I have enough time. This is why I like waking up early kasi ayokong nagmamadali ako, guys. Gusto ko like have enough time. Tapos wala ko makakalimutan. Ang cute ng CR ko, no? Like, it's so wide. Ang daming ilaw, so nakaka-motivate talaga. Ito yung nabili ko sa Target for like $50 ata. Natry ko pa siya kahapon. Maganda naman. See, this is the waves that I wanna achieve for today's look. Kind of messed up with this part, pero okay lang. Diba it's nice and it's so easy lang to do if you have a crimper like this. See? Super easy. Okay, look at the difference, guys. Dito, sobrang daming volume because of the waves. And ito yung hair ko, not styled. Guys, oh my gosh, ang tagal makabook ng Uber. It's already 12:09. Kanina pa akong 12 nagbo-book ng Uber. Wala akong makuha ng Uber. What do I do? Ayoko malate sa Bini. Okay, dahil may time pa ako, kakaintay ng Grab. Naglagay ako nitong mga gold flakes. Diyan lang, as a highlighter. Parang ganun. Tagal ng Grab! Frick! Pero feeling ko naman hindi ako malalate kasi 12 pa lang naman. Kaya lang hindi na kami makakasabay kasi ni Raho. Usapan namin, sabay kami sa shuttle. So, sabi niya, wag Palm Springs Convention na lang ako na pick up. Yes! Meron na! Yes! Thank you, Lord! Okay, so mi-meet ko na lang si Raul dun. Sana sabay kami makadating sa Coachella. Let's go! Oh, by the way, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is my day 1 look! Gumawa ko ng get dressed with me sa TikTok. If curious kayo kung saan ko nabili tong or nakuha tong mga sinusuot ko, just check my TikTok. I'm actually here! It's so pretty. I think nasa Mojave stage na siya. So I'm just gonna meet him there. And we're gonna watch Bini! Thank you! So pupunta na tayo sa loob. I'm gonna look for the Mojave stage. And I might be just in time for Bini. Guys, I made it inside. Now it's time to find Rao and the stage. Grabe, ang laki. We're using Life 360. So, I guess I'm just gonna follow where he's at. Oh my god! I actually made it here, guys. Last minute. I can't believe it. Guys, wala pang kain-kain. So, kumain lang ako kaninang morning. So, hopefully after Bini, I get kahit something to drink lang to hydrate. By the way, it's already 2:18. Parang hindi ako lumalapit kay Raho. It's this stage, guys.
Danica.
Ang aga-aga ni Rawa para kay bestie niya.
Hi, vlog.
We're waiting for Bini.
Oh, you're so weird.
And this is Mika's brother.
Hi, how's it going? Wait, who do you come with? Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're so close to the stage. yan ang boots ko. 5 p.m. pa lang. We just finished watching Bini. And now we're gonna go sa outdoor stage for Likely and Dijon. Tapos magbe-pictures kami. Likely is my favorite song! Oh my God! Oh my God! No way! She's playing my favorite song! Oh my... Yes! Oh my God! Guys, oh my God! Okay guys, I just finished watching Likely and I have a few minutes before Dijon. So I got food. Ito yung first meal ko today. Teriyaki chicken with noodles. Let's see if it's good. It doesn't look good, pero let's try it. Guys, Dijon is playing right now. He's over there. At pagod na ako kaya nakahiga na lang ako dito sa floor. With my emergency foil blanket. Guys, finally, Raho came. Nakita niya ako.
Pagod na ako. Gusto ko na kumain.
Ang sarap ng food niya, guys. Prince Street Pizza.
Kasi I miss New York, kaya...
Pahingi ah.
Ayan na! Kasi yun yung masarap na food niya, oh.
Okay lang siya, guys. Sakto lang. Ang dami niyang veggies. So, healthy siya. Tikman mo na yung sa akin kung gusto mo. Chicken yan. Teriyaki chicken. Dijon. You should go out to love us. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung lyrics ko. Pero pinapakinggan ko talaga si Dijon.
Ano to?
That's chicken. Huh?
Bulldog pwede mo.
Bulldog? No way. Bulldog sauce?
Yeah. Sarap?
Sarap? So after nito, magka-cat's eye kami, right? No,
Darling. Guys, di ko talaga alam kung paano ginagawa nila Danica to kasi parang ako pa lang, di ko alam if nagvi-video ba ako or okay na yung footage ko.
To come back for weekend 2. So are you guys ready? Let's fucking do it! Okay, I'm gonna need y'all to go crazier than weekend 1. Cause we are loud. You think you can be louder? Let's have a fucking party tonight, okay? What's up, Coachella? It's Megan. Wow, look at this crowd. Thank you so much for coming to see us. We're so ready to give you it all. There's like, there you go. You guys ready?
watching this closure and I got my dinner. This is bulldog quesadilla. Oh my god!
These tacos are really good. I mean, they're quesadillas with bulldog sauce. Super spicy lang. Pero ang sarap. This kosher just finished. And pinlay niya yung favorite songs na gusto ko mapakinggan, which is Latch and You and Me. I'm gonna go to Anima next, which is andun lang. Katabi lang yung stage. And lastly, I'll go to Blood Orange. I feel like I'm gonna skip Sexy Red. I'm so tired, guys.